Anyway, here's a pool. Oh my God, it's so loud. I'm just kidding. What's up, guys? If you're wondering what the hell I just made, it's protein and coffee. Yeah, you killed two birds with one stone, basically. All right, that's the base. Okay, let's go. You guys are probably wondering what's up with the guitar. I'm actually on my way to church. I play guitar there and I lead worship. It's a beautiful day out. It's a nice weather. Oh, by the way, I went to the gym this morning and on my way back, I rolled my windows down and everything, it's nice out. I noticed that I heard something underneath from the car. I'm like, something scraped. Got worried. I was like, well, what's going on? Like, is my bumper scraping? Well, usually my tires would rub because, you know, my car is really, really low. But this sounded different. This time it sounded like my lower bumper was coming off. So I was panicking at this point. I pulled over and I checked it out and this is what I saw. I don't know if you could see it, but it's right there. My O2 sensor, I think, is hanging off. There it is. It's hanging off, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna have to stop by Stage 1 Auto again. My friend Rob, and I'm just gonna be like, yo, my O2 sensor's coming off. I could probably just hang it back up again. But anyway, this video is gonna be a little different because it's gonna be like a small vlog on what I usually do on a Sunday. Unlike most car people, you know, they wash their cars, they go on meets, they go on the track, you know, they hang out with family, watch football. I guess this is my first vlog. It's not really a vlog, but I'll take you with me and we'll see how it goes. My pedal commander tape is actually coming off. This is just temporary. I'll fix this. I'll probably hang this inside or something. Oh boy. Yep. Oh my goodness, he drives an automatic. He's a girl. By the way, I never said this tasted good, so don't even. It's nasty. Anyway, here's a pool. Oh my God, it's so loud. I'm just kidding. I'm actually used to how loud it is now because of just like repetitive driving it over and over. I really do enjoy it. And I know on my previous video where a lot of you guys were saying that it was actually too loud. I do agree that the exhaust is a little too loud, but the good thing about my setup is mine has the active exhaust, so I could always just put it in quiet. But sometimes, honestly though, when I'm going home and then I just want peace and quiet, let's say I'm going home at night and then I don't want the cops to be on my tail, I usually just put it on normal mode and then put it in quiet mode sometimes, and I would just drive peacefully. I've always said that I don't want to be known as that guy in my town with the red Mustang with the loud exhaust, because then they would start pulling me over for the randomest things like my tints, like my no front license plates, yeah, like every little thing like that, every little detail, they will try to get you because they know that loud Mustang guy, and I'm just trying to avoid that situation basically. By the way, here comes my favorite part, the tunnel, bro. Corsa plus tunnel equals loud. I'm gonna roll the windows down too. Here we go, here we go, here we go. That is what I call loud. Here we are. Hopefully I don't scrape. Hopefully I don't scrape. Yo, show up one time, bro. Come on, show up. Follow me on Instagram. Shout out to those two guys, Jello and Aaron. They always come here early. They always beat everybody. For real. Oh, you know what the direction? Right in? No. I did. Get that. Yeah. Did you take the car? I did. Oh my. I bit the bullet. I was like, I'm gonna go. Why can't? What did you? I didn't think the bullet. Maybe that's why your O2 thing is Yo, but my tires are not meant for it though.
Hey, if you ever talk YouTube, you buy us a church.
Word. Doubt it. Doubt it.
I run my camera too.
Yeah, time to clean up, right? Wow. What do they have? What do they have? What do they have? Is that pizza? Fancy spaghetti and nanaima with the food. There's pizza. Church is over. I'm actually gonna leave the car here. And I am gonna ride with Bay. We're taking the Jeep Mobile today. Alright. Say what's up, dude.
What's up, dude?
Oh my goodness. Alright, where we going?
So far, Korean barbecue.
What again? What?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to Korean barbecue again. I'm saying again because we actually went last night. Every time I eat Korean barbecue, it has to be buffet.
We went shopping, I'm sorry.
Just get in, it's fine.
So
Say hi to the vlog, Chris. I'm doing a vlog now. So he's coming with us.
So I'm really in trouble
For what?
because I didn't know that
You're in trouble?
For what?
in school because I
Oh my
forgot
god.
that I was supposed to do
Hand
a
in
report today
And you didn't.
and I didn't because I was so carried away and I just remembered it today.
Oh.
does it do?
So what are you
Today.
Gonna, so what are you gonna do?
You
Are you gonna?
wanna
Are you gonna?
No, it's not. It's a presentation and I can't do it at all.
Oh. We're here, Mr. Barbecue. It's raining. Korean barbecue. Oh, Calbee. Is it Calbee or Galbee? But anyway, when we go to a Korean barbecue place, we only get Calbee or Galbee, whatever you call that. It's literally the best thing in the world.
I think the quality is better.
Don't you like? Why you like it? No. Why you like it?
I do, especially with this is a clove of garlic.
Yeah. Why do you eat the whole garlic?
This is good and it's healthy.
Isn't that nasty? Ew, I would never eat it.
It's not nasty.
alright, can you
That's
eat-
not the word.
Can you eat one right now?
Like raw?
Yeah.
I usually do it with the
No,
bread.
just get one right now. You're gonna eat raw.
Are you serious? Right
Yeah.
now? Here, I'll get the smallest one.
All right. Let me see.
I'll just dip it in something.
All right. Eat it. Ew. Ew. Isn't it nasty? Ew. No, whatever. We're done, and it's raining hard. Whatever, Chris. Whatever. All right, let's go. Ah! It's sort of bad. This side. Ah! I hate cold rain. I really do. It's too dark. But I'm finally back in the Mustang. Time to go home now. Time to go home. Dinner's done. Let's turn the car. This cold start's gotta be loud. Yup, it's a loud cold start. That is very weird. Oh my god, the rear parking assist thingy is so loud. Finally back home. Let me get the guitar out. Alright guys, I finally made it home. If you're still here, thank you for watching this video. I'm thinking of doing a vlog once a week, share my life with you guys. And if you like the vlogs, make sure you like, comment below, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.